Subconsciously burping. I do it because I burp and I'm a human being. Oh, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, instead of traffic noise, we have paper flapping and fan. I am making cake today because I have nothing else to do. This is Betty Crocker's Choco Fudge. So I need 100 ml vegetable. Amma, is mustard oil vegetable oil? No. Normal groundnut oil is vegetable oil.
You can use vegetable oil as your groundnut oil.
Okay. So 100 ml of vegetable oil, 250 ml of water. I have that, and I need 3 medium eggs. Now a pro tip that my mom told me. There's an ant here. Do you want to say hi? Oh my god. 1 second. You have to say hi. 1 second. Oh yeah. Hello. I'm friends with an ant. Have you seen that thing where they can't? Oh my god, no. You can't cross. You're not supposed to. I'm gonna put that away. Okay. Because I don't need extra protein in my cake. My mom told me that it's a pro tip. Okay, come closer. So my mom told me that you need room temperature eggs. Otherwise your cake will not. What did you say? Rise. So now I'm gonna take the cake base thing, okay, a mold if you may call it, and I'm gonna draw the circle because apparently that's what you're supposed to do. Mother! Amma, why do I suck so much? I suck so much because I'm a sucker. I will never say that to my child. My child will not hear that from me ever.
My child क्या बोल रहा है? Without any.
Amma! Why do you say such extremely scandalous stuff that I can't put at all? Craving to put it and expose you. There's 250 ml. इसमें पानी डाल देना. 250 ml. You can put water in this. And you need 100 ml of oil, vegetable oil. Okay? And you need a big ass bowl in which you can put this, the whole thing, and then you whisk it, and then I might show you how to do it because I know and you don't know anything. I know everything. Before all of that, you need to cut this thing. This thing you can just prep beforehand. I never do that. I jump to like the easy part of the stuff, but this is like more important. Show them what you're doing. Can you show? Why are you shushing me? Amma, that's rude. Oh yeah, you put it under the circle, no? Oh nice, yeah. Makes sense. Okay. Makes sense.
Doing it all. Stop it.
I won't stop it. The circle cut out with these flaps to pick up the cake, and then we've put vegetable. My mom's put vegetable oil, not me, and like there are 2 because that's a lot. Amma, I need to tell my viewership what the hell I'm up to. My mom already poured this without my consent, so it has to be 100 ml of oil, vegetable oil, and then 250 ml of water. Yeah, baby.
You don't think so?
Holy shit, look at that. Whoa, ha, 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 ha. Yeah, girl. Oh yeah. Can you stop telling me to shoo all the time? Also, guys, you need to preheat your oven at 180 degrees and for I think 10 minutes. Yeah. Okay, my mom already crucified it before I could record because yeah, that's how she's doing. Okay, close it. It's done. You just couldn't wait. Put it to 25 minutes and lower heat. क्यों डाला आपने? You can talk, ma.
180 degrees.
हाँ.
Baking.
But you have to be sweet. You can't yell. Hey, this is voiceover Arushi here. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. But I now want to just put out that disclaimer, of course, that I did not film the rest of the video because I was at work and my mom just wanted to do the whole job herself. Not that I did anything actually. So here my mom is just putting sugar syrup all over the cake, and then she made this ganache which is 1:2 chocolate and cream, and now she has cut up the pieces of flour. Oh my god, this is going too fast. And then yeah, so basically that's what she did, and yeah, you shouldn't ask me what the hell happened there. Okay, moving on, I thought that I would also show you what happened on my granddad's birthday, which was not at the same day. And I know what you might say, oh, she didn't make a cake for granddad. No, I did not, because I didn't think of making a cake for my granddad. I'm just stupid. Also, so this is kind of fun because, I don't know, we tried to surprise him, and it was like, he was really sad throughout the day because nobody remembered his birthday, and he was just like, oh my god, everybody forgot, and then we were like, oh my god, surprise. So keep on watching, it's really cute. He cries at the end of it. Jamie, Sana Helwa ya Jamie, Sana Helwa ya Jamie. Hi, baby. Hi. Na kahi chanda, na kahi taare, jyot ke pyase mere nain. एक पल जैसे जनकपुरी से तोड़ा नाता, अवधपुरी से जोड़ा, जनकपुरी से। You don't cry.
हसी